guys? It's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig red Rams, and now we buy your Ram. I'm here to show you this 2017 Laramie 1500, so let's take a peek. So under the hood, you do have your 5.7 HEMI. It is a Laramie, so it's going to have chrome, automatic headlights, fog lights, as well as 20-inch rims. Keyless entry on both sides of the vehicle, and it is a crew cab with a 5.7 box. We'll come all the way back here. It does have a tonneau cover on it, as well as hitch receiver, wiring, and backup camera. But we're going to go inside and finish up. So inside the truck, you do have full leather seats, which are heated and cooled, and of course they're bucket seats, so you have a nice full center console with lots of storage. All the controls for the heat and heated steering wheel are right there. And you do have nav on this one as well, which is super nice. Dual climate control, 8-speed transmission, as well as trailer brake and a sunroof. But we're going to go in the back seat and then we're done. So in the back seat, lots of room because it is a crew cab, and these back seats are heated. Underneath the floor mats, you do have in-floor storage on either side, and then you of course have more storage underneath the seats, and these do flip out as well. But just like any of our used vehicles, it did go through a full AMVIC inspection, and if you want more pictures, this video, and pricing, you can click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.